Hello, welcome back to Magnificent Living with Christy Kennedy. This is just a brief thank you message to all of those who have taken the time to pray for me. I appreciate your love, your well wishes. Road to recovery has been a journey. I'm getting stronger by the day, and just know that I appreciate you and you give me strength. You know, I live to give, I live to empower individuals to live their best life. There's so much on the inside of you, so much you're capable of, because I know that there were so many years that I played small, did not walk in my purpose, did not walk in my call, that actually I ran from it. But I just want to encourage you on today, know that there is so much more in store for your life. Your eyes have yet to witness the greatness that's on the inside of you, and oftentimes it's lying dormant because we don't believe, and all it takes is faith. Faith in the unknown, faith in the impossible, faith that you can do whatever you set out to achieve. So on this week, continue to pursue your dreams and know that I will be back and I will be better. I love you all.